Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with Wealthfront. Wealthfront, found at wealthfront.com, presents itself as a comprehensive platform designed to streamline and optimize your financial journey. Their website emphasizes a user-friendly interface combined with sophisticated financial tools aimed at helping individuals achieve their financial goals. From investing and banking to planning for retirement and other significant milestones, Wealthfront offers a suite of services intended to cover a wide range of financial needs. The platform appears to cater to various levels of financial experience, from beginners just starting out to more seasoned investors seeking advanced features. They seem to highlight their automated investing services, known as a Passive Plus, which suggests a hands-off approach leveraging their algorithms and expertise. Wealthfront's website also showcases their cash account options, indicating a focus on providing a holistic financial experience that integrates both investing and day-to-day banking needs. Further exploration of their site may reveal additional functionalities, such as tax loss harvesting and personalized financial planning. A key element they seem to promote is their focus on data-driven decision-making, implying that their recommendations and strategies are backed by research and analysis. Ultimately, Wealthfront positions itself as a modern, tech-forward solution for individuals seeking a streamlined and potentially more effective way to manage their finances. They appear to place a strong emphasis on automation, ease of use, and data-backed strategies. Exploring their website in greater detail will provide a clearer understanding of the specific services they offer and their overall suitability for your individual financial circumstances. Remember to check the description for the link and conduct your own research to see if Wealthfront aligns with your financial goals.